Today we are going to be making an easy to make seafood pasta recipe. Around 5 ingredients, I would have to say. First off, we are going to mince our garlic. So you'll need 2 garlics. Okay, once you're done mincing your garlic, put it in a pile. Get whatever seafood you're using. I'm only using some big scallops and a can of canned clams, but you can use whatever you want, like fresh clams, you could use that, but I don't have that. We are just gonna season this with salt and pepper. I got my salt, let's just do light coat. Okay. Pepper. Perfect. Next, we are gonna boil our pasta. Okay, I have my boiling pot of water. Use whatever pasta you want. I'm using linguine. Using about this much. Actually, perfect. Oh my god. Okay, while that's happening, let's sear off our scallops. Or if you're using shrimp, sear off your shrimp. Alright, let's add some olive oil. This is steak infused, but you can use it regular olive oil, but this just adds more flavor. Alright, let's let this preheat for about 30 seconds and then let's add our scallops. Okay, now let's add our scallops. Okay, just leave it on medium-high, 2 minutes on each side. Okay, let's see if it's ready to flip. Oh yes, okay. See, it was very easy to scrape underneath, which means the crust has developed. Now, if it's not easy, then it's not ready. I'm also gonna just scrape off the excess so it doesn't burn. Okay, let's see if it's ready. Okay, I'm just gonna give it another like 20 seconds or so on this side, and then we are gonna start making our sauce. Alright, let's remove our scallops. Now let's add our garlic. Medium heat. Let's add our garlic. This is optional. If you can eat spicy foods, then add some red pepper flakes. Alright, next thing you want is 1.5 tablespoons of butter. And then we are just gonna let the garlic cook and let the butter infuse with the garlic goodness. Like spicy. Now you're gonna need the bumblebees, chopped clams. I'm gonna use 1 can. And we are just gonna pour it in. Turn the heat down to low, and then get some white wine. Okay, I am using Copper Ridge Chardonnay, 1/4 cup. Okay, and then add that to your sauce. Okay, add in the wine, and then we're gonna let this cook on medium-low for about 4 minutes to cook out the alcohol. And I'll be back. Alright, we have about 30 seconds left on our clock. We are gonna add in the clam chunks now. Clams. Look how rich this broth looks. Let's taste it and see if we need any salt. Needs a little bit of salt, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit. Let's hit it with some lime juice. I meant lemon juice. Squeeze. Now let's add our pasta. Our linguine. Okay. Let's add our scallop. Okay. Make sure you get the juice. I put it on a lid because I'm lazy. Alright. beautiful this looks. Let's get some fresh ground pepper. Alright. Let's give it another stir. Put on medium. Okay, our 2 minutes is done. Let's plate it now. Now, let's taste test. Okay. Smells so rich. Yeah. The sauce tastes savory. Good. Seafoody in a good way. And the sauce, we thickened it. It's not super runny. It has a nice like stick to the noodles. Try Scallop. Beautifully cooked, as you can see. The broth, just like, it's amazing. Well, that is it, guys. Please be sure to drop a like and subscribe. This is a really easy to make. It's like, I think 5 or 6 ingredient recipe. Bye, guys.